We are somewhere very different today. We're up in County Wicklow. We're going doing a Lugnaquilla. It is the highest point in Leinster. I think it's the highest point in Ireland outside of Kerry. So that's it up there, big old lump. And yeah, I'm looking around here. I'm not familiar with any. This is my first time ever. I'd say my first time ever actually being in Wicklow. So it is good just for a mountain. Yeah. On the plus side, I know the three peaks at the moment. This is Ballinadaan, I think, or Ballinadaan or something. I know the next peak up there is Slieve, and the next peak is Lugnaquilla. That's it. I don't know one other peak around the place. I have a map, but in terms of pointing stuff out, forget about it. I was looking there to see if I could point any out. I know Dublin is kind of that way. You're looking into the Midlands over that way. The Irish Midlands. I think Athlone is that direction. And if we look over, I think that way then is Wales. You can see there's a guy in a yellow top just over along the ridge. That's the main ridge up, I believe, from Fintons. So that's something totally different. It took me 3 hours to get there. No, I didn't come here just for the mountain. I'm collecting some from the airport later on. So I said when I was here at all, we'd tick it off the list. So it is being the highest point in Leinster, I have the highest point in Munster done, I have the highest point in Connacht done, which is Mulray. So the next one will be the north, whenever that's going to happen. So yeah, we'll keep going up to there. I believe this place can be fairly busy. I started early enough, kind of hoping that the rugby match last night is giving people thought to just stay in bed. So, but yeah, you can see the path is fairly distinct the whole way up. So we'll tick off that one and we'll head away off up, see how we get on. So yeah, something very nice, something very different. Right. That's Slieve, whatever it's called. One of the boggiest tops I've ever been on top of, and I'd say it's kind of relatively dry. If it was wet at all, you'd be up to your knees in it. So we're near. It was all fine coming up to that point. It was all fine. It was just good ground, a good path, easy enough. And we've the final drag up to the top of Lug there now. So we keep going. It is after coming up over that hill there now. It is after really opening up. It is very cool. It is very hazy, but it is pretty awesome, to be honest. I think that's the Wicklow National Park, or the rest of the Wicklow Mountains. Who knows? We've just dropped off the top of Lugnaquilla there, which I think is a hollow of the woods, which makes no sense because there's no wood here and there's a mountain, so I don't know what's going on with that one. But there's a good shot of people up there now, so I just dropped off a small bit here. Looking out, tis quite nice looking out here now. She's a cracking day for it. I thought our lunch was a bit too warm, but I think that was just me overheating. I'll make tracks back. I had the drone up there for a bit, but there was people around. I don't want to be that guy with the drone, you know. So it is really nice up here. It is midday. What is it, the 10th or 11th of October? 18 degrees. You'd never have it. But yeah, we're just looking across there. There's a cracking view from up here. It's a very flat top. It's a big lump. So the kind of close views, you could stay walking to try and get a view into a valley for ages, I'd imagine. So it is great for distant views though, like if it wasn't as hazy. Right, we'll head away and see how we go on the way home. I don't know, I don't think I said it, but I thought there was a guy in a yellow jacket coming up the main route. Jesus, he was there for about 20 minutes. And I took out the camera and I zoomed in, it was a bloody signpost. So, but they have signposts because there's a military off the other end of Lugnaquilla. There's a military zone firing range or something like this. And there's out of bounds kind of, the main path comes up through it. But that's special only, seemingly. Don't go off it, you know. But the way we're going is okay as well. It is outside that military range. Looking across at the clouds and stuff over here, it's very washed out and very hazy, but it's very cool looking with the low clouds. Every now and again you're getting kind of sunbeams and stuff. It's cool to look at it. I don't know what it's coming out in the camera. But yeah, it's pretty nice. It is warm now. Didn't often get out to you in a t-shirt. And then October. But anyway, that's Lugnaquilla above there. And Slivman, the middle one, and now we're back in Ballinadaan. So we're going to drop off the edge here, and once we go there, we won't, you'd see no more of it then, that'll be the end of it. I don't think there'll be much more footage anyway. It's just a walk like. And going down here steep enough to steep going up this morning. Yeah, it is baking. So yeah, look, I think we'll finish up there. Hopefully I have 2 or 3 walks planned now over the next while, so hopefully we get out to do them. Today is surreal, the weather is unbelievable. Right, at that I think we'll finish up. Sure, look, thanks for watching again, and sure we'll see you in the next one. Good luck.